Life is not about finding oneself, but knowing how to create oneself. George Bernard Shaw. Taking advantage of the change of the year, which seems to lend itself to taking stock of what happened in which we left behind, why don't we take the opportunity to take stock of oneself? We always talk about reviewing our operations, analyzing our operations, and many times, we forget to do a good self-analysis. Personal analysis can be a very effective tool to analyze and evaluate the situation in which we find ourselves, in order to set some guidelines that allow us to change what is necessary to achieve our goals in the future. Let's work on it. We all have weaknesses and strengths, in any area of our life and, therefore, in trading. How can we extract and specify them, so that we can then draw conclusions? I am going to give you some ideas, some questions that you can ask yourself and that can give you very interesting answers. First, why did I start trading? What was the main motivation? Do you still have it? Does this motivation make you an anchor to follow your trading plan day after day? If yes, what tool do you use for it? If not, what could you do to get that initial motivation, that dream to help you be disciplined? Is your motivation a weakness or strength that you exploit daily and that helps you in your goal? Are you calm about not being in a hurry to be consistent? Do you have enough resources to continue your training? Do you need to get benefits in a short time? These issues are vital to operate without pressure, since, if you need quick results, it will turn against you. Is the economic factor a major weakness? Or is it a powerful strength because it allows you to learn calmly and solidly? Do you have the support of your surroundings, family, friends? Do they respect your passion for trading, treating it like any other profession? Or do they see it as if you were playing? Is there a weakness in that aspect, or is it an aspect in your favor? Technically, what do I stand out for? Where do I have more difficulty? Emotionally, what weak point do I have to improve to achieve my goal? Where am I strong and serves as a foothold? Is my lifestyle a strength or a weakness? Thanks to good nutrition, good daily rest and regular exercise, do you have good physical and psychic energy to face trading with energy and optimism? How could you change what is failing today? You can ask yourself these and many other questions to self-analyze. We all have weaknesses and strengths. We must know what they are and why. Second step, options. What options do I have to improve every weakness I have detected? What options do I have to strengthen my strengths? Third step, action plan. Within the options raised, choose 1, 2 or 3 of each point, the ones that are most effective to achieve your goal, with less cost, more accessible and realistic. And draw an action plan for each of your weaknesses and strengths. Describe the options raised, what exact steps you will take to move forward, how you will make them, at what time. Specify to the maximum every detail of each action plan. Each of them has to comply with all the acronyms of one of the models with which the mentors work, also widely used in marketing, to describe the characteristics that a good goal should have. The SMART method. S, specific. M, measurable, A, achievable, realizable, R, realistic, T, timing, specify it in time. So, let's take advantage of these transition days from one year to another to set ourselves goals that help us develop, to polish our weaknesses, to exploit our strengths, to be better people and better traders.